Guess what? You can get a charcoal powder for just rupees 25. Yes, you read that right.
Hey everyone, welcome back to AFI Nahid Blendings. I am Nahid Zera, your go-to artist for all things charcoal. Let's create together a charcoal powder from scratch. Let's begin with a budget-friendly technique. That you have seen how easy it is to make a charcoal powder. Would you like more DIY art supply ideas? Let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.